Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can capture the Pink Katydid in Heartopia. I don't know if it's Katydid or Katydid. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's like a pink grasshopper. Like, oh, here it is. So you're going to want to initiate. Oh no. No, don't leave. You're going to initiate an insect catching event, and that is the only time it's going to spawn. Okay, did it disappear? Yes, but that's okay, don't worry, I have it in my bag. But that's what it just looks like. That's what a Pink Katydid looks like. It only spawns when you're level 3 and in an insect catching event. Basically, make sure you charge your equipment. But basically, oh, here it is. That's what it looks like. And it's super cute and pink. If you like the color pink like me, I think it's a great insect to catch. Again, you have to be level 3, and the only time it spawns is in the insect catching event, basically. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!